One of the hardest things farmers deal with when it comes to harvest season is muddy conditions. All of our stuff is built tough. We have one of the most durable carts on the market. A lot of guys have the same capacities, same dump heights, but when it comes to durability and keeping the cart out of the shop and in the fields, I think we are ahead of the game on that. Our cart has a lot of stock options. We added the adjustable axles. Depending on the farm and situation, some people want more tongue weight, some want more weight on the cart. This gives the farmer the option to set the weight where he needs it. Our hubs bolt onto the axle going across, so you're able to move the tires forward and backwards with 8 1-inch bolts. We also don't have fluid in the tires. We have all tractor weights, allowing you to change tires out easily, making that axle adjustment easier. The front gate is another cool option we have on the cart. The front gate is ran by hydraulics, allowing the chopper to open the field, giving them a little bit bigger window to chop into. It also allows the driver of the tractor to see into the cart. We have a stock side extension for the left side of the cart. This is the side that you'd more than likely be chopping into. It adds 75 cubic feet to the inside of the box, making it 1,200 cubic feet on the inside. We also have a rear hitch on the cart. We have some customers that run 2 carts at one time. Along with that rear hitch, we have an add-on feature with hydraulic hoses to send hydraulic fluid in the back, so you're able to run both carts. We also added that rear hitch on, so if you are pulling a truck out or if you are being pulled out backwards in the mud, it gives you a strong point to pull from, and we don't have to worry about damaging the frame of the cart at all. We have the ability to throw a scale kit on. We set the cart up so we can install the scale kits fairly easy on our end, or if a farmer ever wants to add it on later, it's easy for them to also install. We have all of the hooks, holes, and brackets already on the cart, and then everything else would just add on. If you were to put on a display screen, it just bolts on one of the beams on the cart. If you want more information on the quote, you can call our main number or email us at our Contact Us page on our website, and then one of us will give you a call back or can answer any questions about the cart.